Stop scrolling. Let us prepare for JAMB 2026 together. Have you been wondering about finding tutorial to join for JAMB 2026? Learn with Israel tutorial is here for you. You can join the tutorial by chatting the two numbers showing on your screen right now. Chat any of the two numbers to join the tutorial. What you can get in the tutorial: there are live classes in the tutorial, there are daily classes, there are mock tests to practice, which consist of 180 questions for 2 hours, just JAMB style test. So we also have a lot of structured and well detailed teaching for you guys, and we are also using the JAMB syllabus. If you want to score above 300 in your JAMB exam, you need to study using the JAMB syllabus. It is very essential. You need to study using the JAMB syllabus, and in this tutorial we are studying using the JAMB syllabus. So make sure, if you really want to join, it is very affordable to join. There are tutorials for art students and for science students. For science students, we have English, biology, physics, chemistry, and mathematics. For science students and for art students, we have economics, government, we have literature in English. We also have CRS for art students. So if you are interested, make sure you join right now. Don't joke with this video. It is very essential. JAMB is approaching. Within the next 60 days, you will be preparing to write your JAMB exam. So make sure you take this message seriously. Keep learning, keep practicing. I'll be expecting you to join the tutorial. See you in the next one.